Hello, my name is David Atkins. Today we're going to make some copper bracelets. The materials you'll need are some 14 gauge wires, 22 gauge wire, some pliers, and some 4mm beads. First I'm going to cut the wire into sections 11 inches long. I don't really measure, do a variety of lengths to make different sizes. Then I bead the ends with a acetylene torch. Get it red hot until it beads up. As soon as it melts, I go on to the next one. And here's several of those I've made up ahead of time. Then you take your round nose pliers, twist the end to a loop. Then I'm going to reverse that into a U shape. Flip it over and reverse the U over and over through the length of the wire. That's where our beads are going to set, in between each one of those little U's. This is what they look like after I've shaped them. Then we're going to take them to the anvil. You can texture them, flatten them out. This also hardens the material after you heated it with the acetylene torch. It'll be really soft and this hardens your copper. Then I'm going to shape it. I'm doing this on the horn of an anvil, shaping it into a C shape. I'll adjust it at the end, make sure it fits. After that, we're going to bead the bracelet. Take some 22 gauge wire. This is what they look like after they've been shaped. Take your 22 gauge wire, wrap it around the first U shape you made towards the loop. And then I'm going to slide a bead into my first U shape. And then wrap the wire around the other side. And just repeat that, putting a bead in the center of each of the U shapes until you get to the other loop. And wrap it around the other end of your bracelet. This is what they look like after you've beaded them. Then I patina them. I put them in a bath of liver of sulfur. And I sand them, tumble them. And this is what the finished product looks like. Let me know if you have any questions. And you can find me at Artwire Music on Instagram, Facebook. Thanks for watching.